Tau Ora 2016. This year, we are taking it to a whole new level.
That's right, whānau, whole new level. You want one of these babies, Tau Ora's got an offer for you. Check out the Fitbit offer on Te Kete.
We kick it off with our house checks in March, and then in April, we're taking registrations for our favourite event, the Whadomara Hikoi, which starts on May the 2nd and finishes on July the 29th.
We also have this year our Tau Ora Kemu. We have our Pepeha Wars, 100 Ks in 20 days, and our Tau Ora Tour Games.
And then in September, we've got Step-a-thon, where we're going to ask you to just smash it out, whānau, do as much as you can in 5 days to raise money for charity. And then we're going to ask you to participate in focus groups and surveys to ensure that you've got an active voice in Tau Ora.
We also have our famous Tau Ora Awards dinners where we need nominations from you, from any kaimahi who's making a difference in the community and at mahi. So get your nominations in for the Tau Ora Awards at the end of the year.
And last but not least, we've got the summer sprint to get that body looking awesome before you hit the Christmas pud. And last but not least, whānau, we want to thank Harata Samuel, Te Taiorani Jim Mather, who is doing a series called Jim in the Gym with Tawara Nico, our Timu, senior management of our takiwā.
We also want to take this opportunity to say a big thank you and a big mihi to our Tau Ora Tour champions in the motu. Without you, we wouldn't be able to do the mahi we do, and thank you kaimahi for your support.
So this year, let's see you take it to a whole new level, whānau. Dream!
Yeah!
Inspire!
Woo!